Hello guys, review POCO F6, this version 12GB RAM memory and 512GB storage. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging. This we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, device of course, adapter for charging with quick charge, super quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, device in the green color, double camera on the back side, on the front side 6.7-inch display, on this side power button, wall buttons, headphones, device without headphones jack, we have double speakers, and Type-C cable and slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay, turn on. Display Full HD Plus AMOLED 120 Hz. Open settings. About phone we have Xiaomi Hyper OS version 1.0.4. Android 14. Close this. Look into the benchmark results. We have CPU Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and Adreno 735 this GPU. Perfect results, very powerful device. And this we have super results. Okay, close this and run GTA San Andreas. Game works on the max graphic level, this is default level and default level for this device. And perfect gaming, perfect gameplay. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.